searching for the truth, taken by the memories of all that I've been through. If I could hear your voice, I know I would be okay.
Honey, I'm home. Honey, I'm home. I said like that gangster shit. Yeah, you like that gangster. You little bitch. Saying you back at it again, you know. Do you? I don't care no more. I don't give a fuck like I said before. Your pussy weak as hell. I mean, damn shit, you fucked the Rav? Really? Really? You fucked the Ravin? And I just found out you fucked my best friend too? Hold up. Wait 1 second. What the fuck is that smell? And what the fuck is that brown stuff on your lips? Is that shit? Damn, bitch, you trifling as hell. You could have had that nigga to wash his ass first. You a dot. You nasty as hell. Damn, that nigga must forget. Oh my God, it is shit on my lip. Hey, sister. Oh, hey, Rabbit, how you doing? Oh, yeah, you know, he out of town and stuff. You know how he be going back and forth out of town. You know, we got back together, you know. We just sat at a talk, but, you know, that's why I called you off, because, you know, we need some counseling and stuff, because all he care about is these. These right here. This is all he care about. So, bye. Because I hear you guys are having problems in your relationships. I mean, your relationships. So, just brass with me. Bear with me. You know what? I'm just gonna come back later. This is all he care about. So we back together. So if you want to, you can wait on him, or you just can talk to me by yourself if you want. Come in, Rabbit. And if I do? Ooh, real. Ooh, I know you had it like that, Poppy. Ooh, Poppy, I didn't know you had it like that, Poppy. Oh, man. I heard me come. In the name of Jesus. What is that awful smell? Oh, my God, that awful smell. Your pussy stink. I'm still finna come. Oh, hey, baby, how you doing? Oh, I'm doing fine. You know, the Rev just left. Yeah, you know, he already said, you know, he was going to pray for us because you told him to, you know, for the relationship and stuff. So, you know, everything went well. You know, he laid hands on me and stuff. He said about 15 to 20 minutes, you know, because he had to hurry up and go somewhere. So, he came and he went. So, he laid hands on me. He came, he went. So, I mean, that's it. That's all, baby. Your friend called TJ, whatever his name is, the one with the golden teeth. Yeah, okay. I love you, baby, and I miss you. Can't wait till you get home so I can put it on you. All right. Talk to you later, baby. Love you. Bitch, see why I here? Boy, pie. Just come in. Oh, baby. Your pussy stink and feel good at the same damn time. Crazy bitch. I'm coming, baby. Good for you. Good for you, baby. Yo, T.Y. Yo, what's good, homeboy? Little girl back out there bogus, right? Yeah, she fucked around. You didn't hear from me, though. Well, that picture on that again? She sure did. Like I said, you ain't hear from me, though. 100. Damn, so you back at it again, huh? I just want to find me someone else, you know what I'm saying? You back. Okay, I'm sorry. Damn. You the one steady taking me back. You the one keep on steady taking me back. You know what I like to do. You know I like to get down. You know I like to get down. So I ain't trying to hit. It's right about now I'm this male. All you can think about is how many times I cheated on you instead of trying to work this shit out. Like I said before, nigga, I played you. You ain't shit. You ain't nothing. You never gonna be nothing. What? What you gonna do? You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't. Okay, I fucked a rabbit, and I just got you fucking your friend an hour before you got here. That's the truth. That's 100. That's what it is. That's the truth. Okay. There you have it. I fucked a rabbit, and then I fucked your best friend before you got here. You have to find me someone else. You know what I'm saying? You back at it again. You know. Do you? I don't care no more. I don't give a fuck. Like I said before, Your pussy weak as hell. I mean, damn, shit, you fucked the Rav? Really? Really? You fucked the Ravin? And I just found out you fucked my best friend too? Hold up. Wait 1 second. What the fuck is that smell? And what the fuck is that brown stuff on your lips? Is that shit? Damn, bitch, you trifling as hell. You could have had a nigga to wash his ass first. You a dot. You nasty as hell. Damn, that nigga must forget. Oh my god, it is shit on my lip. That nigga nasty as hell. Oh my god. That nigga ain't wiped his ass. Oh shit. I'm fucking him up when I see him. That's the last time I lick ass in the summertime with no AC on. So yeah, what do it smell like? It's shit. What the fuck you mean it is shit? I know nigga wasn't gonna wipe his ass though. Well, that's okay. So this how this shit gonna go. Either you gonna forgive me, or either you ain't. You know, we don't even need to be together. You know, we don't need to be together. You know what I'm saying? This shit is not gonna work. So I'm a ass licker, I'm a hoe, I'm a slut, I'm whatever. And nigga, you too soft. Team dark skin, alright? So that's it. That's all I gotta say. I don't want you. I'm finna pack my shit. I'm finna leave back out and move in with the Reverend. Okay, part 3. I move in with the Reverend. So I see your guys later. Y'all can listen to whatever this lame ass nigga gotta say. I gotta go in the washroom and wipe this shit off my motherfucking. Stay on like all night. Portion like, let's do it. Quit talking. We out here. We ballin'. Girl, you already know I let that nigga hit that. Oh, hold on. Damn. That nigga fine as hell. Oh. To call you back. He coming over here to talk to me. Fuck you, oh, you just jealous. Hey, how you doing? My name T.Y. Oh, my name. Sorry, you so cute. Oh, my name Tanisha. Looking real good tonight. So I was just wondering, shit, you want to get up out of here? Help me finish this bottle. You know what I'm saying? Find something to do. You know, name a number, maybe dinner sometime. You making me blush. Thanks for the compliment. And I have no problem hanging out with you. You know, dinner sometime. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Alright, so I guess we can meet up in 2 more hours. That's cool with you? I'm supposed to be my girlfriend in 2 more hours, but shit, her ass can wait. It ain't like she don't be doing the same thing to me. So yeah, 2 more hours. That's cool. My place. Just knock on the door and just walk right in. I'm just say to come in, you walk right in. The door already be unlocked. I see you in 2 hours. Come in. What's good, man? We finna do this shit or what, baby? You got a condom? You is not finna be going up in me raw. Like I'm some type of first night hoe. Yeah, I got a condom. Extra large. What's he saying, baby? Extra large. Damn! Extra large? Ooh-wee. I'm ready. I'm finna cut on the music. You get your ass in that bed. Oh, that shit you was talking in the club? Playing hard to get? Who shit is this, bitch? Say my fucking name, bitch. I forgot your name. Forgot your name. Oh, shit. T.Y. Yeah. T.Y. right there. Oh, baby. Oh. Shit, yeah. I'm finna come. I'm coming. I'm coming. What you say your name was again? Daryl. I mean T.Y. Yeah, I'm coming too.